is resilient. We can go through anything in the world and still come out strong and on top.
What I like about Jamaican women are their figures.
They're very independent, not depending solely on a man to get the work done. They try to work out all the semantics when things are not going properly. Especially, I think they're the main strength in a relationship to piece things together. We are a very resilient set of women here, and we will always go the extra mile regardless of what situation.
The authenticity of a Jamaican woman is always the best.
We're strong, we're resilient, we're resourceful. I mean, we're beautiful. We just have it. We just got it. You know, there's no other nationality I would want to be except to be Jamaica.
They will go to the extreme just to get their things right.